Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to recreate this look here. I was inspired by the Pantone color of the year, which is Coral for 2019, and nobody can go wrong with the color Coral. It is a beautiful orangey pinkishy shade. It is the perfect shade to brighten up everything. I absolutely love this color. I was of course able to find some coral colors that I can play with, and the palette that you will be seeing today will be the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, and this shade doesn't look like it in the camera because my lights are really light, but this is a coral color. It is Clove. I used some of the shades here to create this look, and I also used my Anastasia Beige Prism palette. This palette right here also contains a coral color right here. And I also, used some coral colors on my cheeks. I went ahead and used the Grandioso color right there to make it blushy, and I also popped in some Tarte Amazonian clay. If you guys want to see the tutorial for this color, please keep on watching. If you like more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Alright, to start off my look, I'm going to go in with the PLouise Beige shade in the shade 1, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the lid and blend it out. Now I'm going to go into the Ace Beaute Grandioso palette, and I'm going to take the shade Cinnamon and put that all over my crease. Now into my Beige Prism palette, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Parallel and put that right below my crease color to deepen up the look. Now I'm going to go back into the shade Cinnamon, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out the outer corners to make the look more seamless. Now I go back into the Grandioso palette, and I go into the shade Poppy and blend that in right below the shade Parallel. So I go into the Grandioso palette and I dip in the shade Clove. Now Clove is a coral looking color, but because of my lighting, it diffuses the entire color. So I did find another coral color, and that is the shade Satin in the Beige Prism palette, and I go ahead and put that all over the lid on top of the shade Clove to intensify the entire look. Now to create a cut crease glitter liner, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the BH Cosmetic Eyelights in Fresh. Now we're going to move along to the face, and for primer today I'm going to use the VDL Satin Veil Primer and put that all over my face. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Lancome Teint Idole in 320 Bisque and the Becca Aqua Luminous foundation in Beige. And I'm going to go ahead and mix those foundations together. Today for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm going to use it to highlight my under eyes and my nose. To set the face, I'm going to go ahead and dip into my Patric Starr X Matte Collab setting powder. I'm going to put that on the under eyes, and I'm also going to set the entire face with this. For contouring, I'm going to dip into the Smashbox Cali contour, and I'm going to use the contour shade as well as the bronzer matte shade to put that on my forehead. To finish out my eye look, I'm going to dip back into the Grandiose palette cinnamon shade, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lower lid. And then to highlight the inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to go ahead into the shade Jasmine from the Grandiose palette and put that in. Now to pull this look together, I wanted to go for a corally blush, and I don't have much. So I'm going to go and dip into the Grandiose Clove shade and put that on my cheeks to create a blush look. To brighten up that blush, I go in to the Tarte Color Wheel shade Culture, which has a highlighting effect to it. Now to finish up this entire look, I'm going to go into my Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobing palette to highlight my face. What you guys don't see finish here is that I use the Tarteist Mascara to put mascara on my lashes, and then I use the Kat Von D setting spray, and for lips I use the Ofra Laguna Beige. I also use Lashes by Lashaholic. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Of course, like I said, I was inspired by the Pantone color of the year for 2019, and that color is coral. I hope I inspired you guys. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.